Good evening, welcome to Dreadnought Customs. This is episode or part 3, part 3 I think, of the GT2. The GT2 build. So we're just prepping it for paint and getting rid of some of the dents and doing some other bits and bobs. So far we've stripped most of the back end, done some of this filler work, needs a bit more filler work here and there. Front end still needs to come off, but before we do that we need to trial fit the splitter and the eyebrow spoiler, so we'll get that done today. Might get some welding done as well. I think it's going to need some, it might not. It might need a little bit of welding here and there, just on them bits. You see it's got a big crease here actually. That'd be why there's loads of filler work down that side. What's this arch line? Oh yeah, and again this one's got a dent as well, so it's obviously had a spank down both sides at some point. So crack on, shall we? Right, apologies for the poor crackly sound. That is, I don't know, something up with this stupid microphone. Right, okay, so we're going to take the bumper off. You see that big nut there right in front? I'm pointing at the bugger now. Yep, there's that one, and there's another one just forward of it. There we go, down there. There's two each side. I think they're 19mm head. So yeah, just unbolt them, and away the bumper will come. In time. So there she blows. Right, there's that off. Always a good idea to take the bumper off before taking the lights off if you're going that way, because it can be a bit tricky. Now, time to get the front splitter on. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take off the plastic clips from underneath. I'm just going to stick bolts through the metal wings, through the bumper, and then through the actual through the splitter itself in a couple of places. So yeah, I'll fast forward this bit because it's a bit boring, but you'll kind of see what happens. Yep. Okay, so that is both the arches off.
all the lights off around the front, balances, all the body kit off, set the piece down the bottom of the door, which I'm not taking off because they're bugger to get off and they always bend, so they're best off leaving them on. So now it's time to weld this little rear wash jet hole up. I'm going to protect the windows. It's one of the reasons this is here, because otherwise, like grinding splatter and weld splatter and stuff, it kind of melts to the window, and then you get little bits of metal stuck in the glass, which is crap. I will take the side windows out for when I prime it, but I'm going to leave it for now just till the filler work's done, so it doesn't get too much dust inside. Probably going to peel these off, renew these. Boot lid wise, it's all staying on. I'm just going to mask along the vinyl line because I don't really want to take the window out. If I was to change the vinyl, the window's got to come out. I think it's sealed in a bit, so imagine that would be a right pig. So yeah, we'll weld that up. Then yeah, finish the bodywork. There's a little bit of plastic down the bottom here. It might need welding, might not. I think it probably will. So we'll grind that away, get that sorted as well whilst we're here. And this bit here needs a little bit of work. Needs tapping back. Also, I'm going to probably grind the arches back a bit, cut them back, because the wide wheels on the back were rubbing against the bit. You can kind of see here where it's along that edge where the wheels were rubbing a bit. So I'll cut this back, cut the metal back. Hopefully I can run it a little bit lower because I don't want to stiffen it up too much, even though the shocks are adjustable. So yeah, welding time.
Okay, so that's it. That's all that welded up. Just needs grinding back, filling, and priming with the rest of the car, and we're good to go. Hopefully you'll tune in for the next episode, which will hopefully be a bit more fluid, and see where we're up to. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you soon. Please subscribe. Peace out.